I will be asking you certain questions twice. You do understand. If you fail to understand, you can ask me again. Okay, beta? Is it clear, children? So I will be asking you questions, certain questions, and you have to answer me after understanding the question. Are you prepared? Girls, first of all, good morning, all of you.
Good
Hello?
morning.
Yeah,
Good morning.
thank you, beta. Be interactive, right? If you do not know, doesn't matter, then I will give you the answer. But be interactive. Is it clear? So I need not repeat it again and again. Excuse me.
Okay.
Thank you. Now, internal fertilization. I think the difference between the internal fertilization and external fertilization. Remember? You know the difference? Yes or no? Say something better. Girls, can you hear me? You
Yes,
know
ma'am.
regarding internal fertilization? Yes? So I'm giving the option. Internal fertilization occurs. Options are in female body, outside the female body, in male body, and outside the male body. I repeat, internal fertilization occurs in female body, outside female body, in male body, outside male body. Which is the right option? Girls, please come out with the answer. Hello? What is the option? Girls, are you there? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Yes, give me the answer, beta. Where is internal fertilization found? Observed. Happens. Have you heard my question?
Yes.
So give me the answer, beta. It is inside the female body, isn't it? So internal fertilization, that means it is inside the female body, right? I think I told you to write all these question answers and learn. Didn't I ask you? While writing your question answer, the textual question answers, you have to learn as well. So how will you remember, beta? How will you remember if you don't learn? This is all new to you, so you better start learning, revising, understanding everything together. Second option, a tadpole develops into an adult frog by the process of. A tadpole develops into an adult frog by the process of, and the options are fertilization, metamorphosis, embedding, budding. I repeat, fertilization,
Ma'am,
metamorphosis.
ma'am, can I Delicia?
Yes, why not? Say
Metamorphosis.
metamorphosis. Excellent. Very good. Okay, now can you tell me the meaning of metamorphosis, better, Delisha? You're absolutely correct. Can you give me the meaning of metamorphosis? What this word suggests? Meta means, I told you, what is meta? A huge. And morphosis means change in morphology. What is morphology? Physical appearance. How do you look like? What is your appearance? That is morphology. The physical appearance is called as morphology. Now, did you understand?
Yes.
Yes? Fine, good. Now, the third question, the number of nuclei present in a zygote is, I repeat, the number of nuclei, I said, it's not nucleus, remember that. So, it has to be more than one. So, the number of nuclei present in a zygote is, the options are none, 1, 2, 4. Options
Ma'am,
are
can I?
none. Let me
One
repeat
minute.
the option, beta. Then you come.
Okay.
None, one, two, four. Yes. Who is it? Delisha.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So what is the option? What is the correct option, beta?
One. Only one.
One nucleus in a
Yes.
zygote. In a zygote, you get one nucleus, beta.
Yes.
Yes. Very good. You get one nucleus. Very good, beta. Why do you say it is one nucleus? What actually happens? Because we have got, I think I will show you here. There it is. Here. Right? This is
Yes.
fertilization. So actually we have got two nuclei. This is one and this is one. But they fuse. Right? They fuse and then it becomes one nucleus. You understand? I will show you in somewhere else also how this zygote is forming. This one. You see this? This is zygote. Understood now? And after that it will start dividing to form embryo. You understood better? So it is a fusion of the male nucleus and the female nucleus and they become one. But the chromosome number will be double, remember that. It will become only one, but the chromosome number will be double. Excellent answer. Very good. You are making me happy. Okay, fine. So we have got one nucleus in a zygote. Rest of you, are you understanding better? Eighth standard, girls, girls.
Yeah,
See,
ma'am.
only Dalisha is participating. I wish that all of you will.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter if the answer goes wrong. Girls, it doesn't matter if the answer goes wrong, but at least try better. So by doing so, you will learn more. So can I expect all of you to take part, better? Yes, girls. Shall I expect that all of you will participate? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So now, next question. Now you have to give me true false, right, beta? So again, I will repeat twice and think it over and then give me the answer. Oviparous animals give birth to young ones. I repeat,
No.
oviparous animals. Then I will be asking you questions also. Remember that. Be prepared. Oviparous animals give birth to young ones. Is it true or false? First, tell me what is the meaning of oviparous animals?
Those animals which lay eggs are called oviparous.
Exactly, simple.
It is
The animals
false.
which lay eggs, right? So animals, if it lays eggs, do you think they can give birth to young ones?
No, ma'am.
No. So this is what I'm asking you. If you know the meaning of a particular terminology, it's very easy to come to a conclusion. It's very easy to come to an answer, whether it is right or wrong. Is it? That's the reason that I asked you, okay, beta, tell me what is oviparation? And your answer was that the animals which lay eggs. So when the animals which lay eggs just cannot deliver, right? Just cannot give birth to young ones. It's highly impossible because it is already laying eggs. It cannot do both. So what are the examples of oviparous animals? Can you tell me? See, from one question, we are going to understand so many answers. Remember that. Now, can you give me the examples of oviparous animals, beta?
Ovi.
Yes. What are the examples of oviparous animals, beta? One I am giving you as hen. Yes, hen lays eggs. What do you say? Now, second example you give me. Fast. I gave you hen. Now you have to give me one.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
dog, fishes,
Yes, yes. Then
frogs,
lizard,
uh,
crocodiles,
lizard,
snakes.
snakes,
There's so many. Yes, I've taught you everything. I've given you so many examples. Mostly
humans.
reptiles. Yes, mostly reptiles,
Yes.
human. So we give birth to young ones. So it is false. So what do you say? Oviparous animals give birth to young ones? It is false. Okay.
Fall.
Each sperm is a single cell. I repeat, each sperm is a single cell. Is it right or wrong? Fast, fast, beta. You don't have to think about it. Each sperm is a single cell.
True.
True. Very good. Excellent. Delisha, it's you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I think you are doing your job very well. Whenever you are writing, I presume, or rather I assume, that while writing you are learning. Am I right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? Am I right or wrong? That while writing
Yes,
you are learning.
ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, beta. Keep it up. External fertilization takes place in frog. I repeat, I taught you everything, so everything should come to your mind. External fertilization takes place in frog. Now I ask you the question, what do you mean by external fertilization? First of all, you have to come to a conclusion whether it is inside the body or outside the body. So what is external fertilization, beta? Is it inside the body or outside the body?
Outside the body.
Excellent, outside the body. So one problem is cleared. Is it easy now? So we know it is outside the body. Now, frog. Now, I've shown you the picture, I think. Remember, I've shown you the picture when the frog is spawning, when the frog is laying the
Yes,
eggs.
ma'am.
I've shown
Okay.
you. Yes. Easy, no? Now you can visualize whatever I've shown you as slide. So this is what fertilization then, beta. The question is right or wrong?
True, right.
It is right. You can see the frog sitting on the bed of eggs which is laid, and later the male frog will lay sperms on it and it will be fertilized externally. Yes? Yes, you understand? Okay.
Yes.
So that is true. A new human individual develops from a cell called gamete. I repeat, a new human individual. Please understand all the words. A
Okay.
new human individual develops from a cell called gamete. I've been telling you so many times, repeatedly, maybe yesterday or day before yesterday, when we had a last session regarding this, that from where we get a new individual. Is it a cell called gamete? From where a baby originates? Which is that cell which develops into a baby? Do you know that? Then the question becomes very easy to solve. Why are we stuck, beta? Yes, what is the answer? A new human individual develops from a cell called gamete. Is it true or false?
Ma'am, false. False.
Why? If it is false, now which is the right answer? Can you give me the right answer, beta? Then from where it develops? If it is not from gamete, then the new baby develops from which cell? What is that the name of the cell called?
Zygote.
Uh-huh. Yeah, you are in a way partially you are right. But zygote is one cell beta, right? It divides, it multiplies, it grows in size, and what it becomes after zygote? What did I teach you? Fast. After zygote, what is the name? When it starts differentiating into a body, a small baby, what is that stage called as? Can anyone give me the answer?
Um,
After embryo, which is the stage called as? When the body starts differentiating into hands, a head, into legs. What is the stage called as? Embryo. You forgot?
yes.
Have you ever heard of embryo? They teach you embryo or not, beta? Now you
I was
understood?
going to say that only, but I was confused.
That's what I am telling you. Don't be confused. Come up with the answer. Doesn't matter if it goes wrong. Didn't I say so many times, Vita?
Yes.
Don't hesitate. That fumbleness, that hesitancy, remove it right away. I'm allowing you to do so, Vita. I want you to do mistakes. So why you are getting fearful? Why are you frightened? Why are you scared? Come up. Whatever comes to your mind, come up. This is what I'm teaching you. Don't be afraid to do mistakes. I want you to do mistakes, beta. From there only we will learn. If you do mistakes, I will give you the right answer. Have I ever said, beta, you do not know this? Have I ever said that? Why you do not know this? You should know it. You should know it. But if you don't know it, it's okay. We will learn. Is it clear? Girls, is it
Yes.
understandable to all of you? So do mistakes. Will you? I will get 100% of participation, isn't it? For doing mistakes, isn't it, beta? Is it clear?
Yes.
Fine. So it is not the gamete, but it is the embryo. Next question. Egg laid after fertilization. I repeat. Egg laid after obviously after fertilization, the egg I'm talking about is made up of a single cell. Egg. Remember, egg after fertilization is made up of a single cell. After fertilization, what is the name of that egg called as? Now you tell me that first question when I'm asking you. Give me that answer, then you will know the answer of this question. First, answer my question. The egg after fertilization, what it is called as? First, tell me. The egg after fertilization is called what? Delisha? Hello? Hello? Girls, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me, Vita, after fertilization, the egg is called what? What is the name after fertilization of the cell called as? One of you give it a try. You know the answer already.
Zygote.
Exactly. It is called as zygote. Simple. So it is single cell. You agree with me? See over here.
Yes.
It is written over here. It is single cell, right? Can you see over here?
Yes.
It is a single cell, right?
Yes.
Because the nucleus has fused. The male nucleus and the female nucleus is fused. Otherwise, the cell remains the same. Big size cell, isn't it? Hello?
Yes,
Understand?
ma'am.
Fine. Next question. Amoeba reproduces by budding. Does amoeba reproduce by budding? Fast, better give me the answer very fast. Otherwise I won't be able to finish the chapter. Does amoeba reproduce by budding?
Yes.
What is the answer?
Which
Hello?
one is wrong?
What is the answer? Does amoeba reproduce by budding? Is it
No,
yes or
ma'am.
no? Okay, it is
False.
no. No. Okay, then which is the phenomena which is happening in amoeba? Which way does it divide better, amoeba? Which is the division which takes place in amoeba? Can you tell me?
Asexual reproduction.
Yes. What is the name of that asexual reproduction better? You know everything, I'm telling you. What is the name of the
Budding.
yes? What is the asexual reproduction in amoeba?
Budding, ma'am.
No. It is written over here, amoeba reproduces by budding. The answer is right or wrong? Amoeba reproduces by budding. This is what I taught you, better.
Mm, false, ma'am.
Then that is what I'm saying. Then how it is reproducing? You said asexual reproduction. I agree. Where budding is a part of asexual reproduction. What is the name of that asexual reproduction in which amoeba reproduces? Can you tell me? Hello. Can you tell me? It is binary fission. What is it? Hello, girls.
Binary fission.
Yes. So amoeba reproduces by binary fission. You should understand all these things, please. Next question. Fertilization is necessary even in asexual reproduction. Fertilization is necessary even in asexual reproduction. Just now you gave me amoeba example to understand what will be your answer. Fertilization is must even in asexual reproduction.
False.
False. Very good. It is not at all required. That's why it is asexual reproduction. It's simple. So in asexual reproduction, fertilization does not take place. Good. Binary fission is a method of asexual reproduction. Is binary fission a method of asexual reproduction?
True, yes.
Yes, very good. It is true. A zygote is formed as a result of fertilization. Does a zygote form as a result of fertilization?
Yes.
Yes, true.
True.
So you are understanding why I'm repeating it twice? And when you give exams better, this is what you have to do. Why I'm doing this? To give a training to all of you. Whenever you see a question, please repeat it twice in your mind. I'm telling you again and again. Repeat it twice in your mind, and it becomes easy for you to understand the question very nicely. You will never go wrong. Do you understand when I say if when I'm repeating it, you are getting the answer very fast? Don't you think so? Yes, girls.
Yes.
Yes. So you do that because during exam I won't be there with you. So you have to help yourself. You have to recite. You have to redo the questions twice in your mind, and then you will understand it very properly. So zygote is formed as a result of fertilization. The answer is yes. Okay. An embryo is made up of a single cell. Is an embryo made up of a single cell?
False.
False. So what is the thing which is called which is made up of single cell? What is the name which is made up of a single cell? I'm not asking about the sperm and the egg, but after fertilization, it is zygote. So what is made up of a single cell, beta? It is zygote. Is it clear?
Yes.
It is not embryo. Embryo is made up of many cells. Yes, you understood the difference now? Zygote is made up of a single cell, whereas embryo is made up of many cells.
Many
Right?
cells.
Yes. So if it is true, then why true? If it is false, then what will make it true? So we should know both the answers. Okay, okay, beta. Now tell me, what is the
Yes.
importance of reproduction in organism, beta? What is the importance of reproduction in organism? Hello, hello. What is the importance of reproduction in organism? Say something. Hello, girls. Can you hear me, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer. Why reproduction is important in organisms? Why the organism reproduce? Because to have the continuity of species, to have the
Yes.
continuity of organism, because if there's no reproduction, after I die, it will be over. So they have the
Yes.
continuity of organisms in future, reproduction is a must. Okay, so it's a multiplication of organism. Okay, can you tell me the process of fertilization in human beings? How does the fertilization takes place in human beings? Start. What sort of reproduction takes place in human beta? Is it asexual or sexual? Hello? In humans, the reproduction is asexual or sexual. So you're taking too much of time.
I'm sexual.
Sexual, fine. Next question. What sort of fertilization happens in human, internal or external? Hello? What types of fertilizations found in humans, internal or external?
Um, internal.
Internal. So you got 2 points. First is in human sexual reproduction takes place. Second is in human beings internal fertilization takes place. You got the 2 points?
Yes.
Yes. So in human we have male and female. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So what male does? What male does? Male releases sperms, right? Male releases sperms. You agree?
Yes.
Inside female's body. You agree? And that's why the sperm will go to the ovum, right? Then when sperms reach the ovum, it fertilizes. There remain so many millions of sperms will reach the ovum, but only one sperm will fertilize, right? Agree? Where does the fusion takes place, Beta? So sperms and fusion, the fertilization takes place in the fallopian tube or the oviduct. You agree with me? You agree with me?
Yes.
Okay. What does it form? It forms zygote. So after fertilization, it forms zygote. And when it is forming zygote, The nucleus, this process, during this process, the nucleus of sperm is fusing with the nucleus of ovum and it becomes a single nucleus. And this process, complete process, is called as fertilization. Have you understood?
Yes.
Nicely? Any problem?
No, ma'am.
What are types of asexual, what is called asexual reproduction? What are the methods of asexual reproduction? Can you tell me?
In this reproduction only single parent is involved, so it is called
Very good.
asexual.
Very good. Very good. So you can give me two types of asexual reproduction. Can you give me two types of asexual reproduction? First, hello. Give me the types of asexual reproduction. Two types of asexual reproduction. What are they? Hello. Then give me the answer first, please.
Ma'am,
Yes.
binary fusion,
Exactly.
binary
Where do you get
fusion.
binary fission, beta? You have to write examples, huh? Everywhere you have to write examples. Remember that. So where do you get binary fission? What is the name of the organism?
Um,
Just now we did, beta. Amoeba. What is the name of the
yes,
organism? Amoeba. Yes?
amoeba.
Amoeba. Okay. What actually happens in binary fission? Can you tell me? First, the nucleus gets divided, isn't it? The nucleus of amoeba
Yes,
divides. Yes?
right.
Into
Yes.
two. Then followed by the division of their bodies. Understood now? First, the nucleus divide. For example, this is amoeba. This is the nucleus. So first, the nucleus will divide like this, and then the body will divide. You getting my point? And later, the body will divide into two. Have you understood? The first
Yes.
nucleus will divide into two, followed by division of the bodies, and each body part will get one nucleus, and they will develop into a separate amoeba. Okay? Now, which is the second one, beta? Which is the second asexual reproduction?
Um,
You should be knowing all these things by now, beta. Budding. Which is the second one? Budding. Where do you get this budding?
yes.
One is curd, I think you know the yeast, and the other one is aquatic organism, that is hydra. I think I taught you this also. So a part of organism bulges out. It's like a bud, and then it grows slowly, and then it develops into a separate individual. You understood now? This is called as
Yes.
budding. The second one is yeast. Remember that I think I taught you like this. Now this is yeast, and you get this as a bud. Yes or no? Chains of buds you get. You get it in yeast, which is called as curd. It's a bacteria. Okay? Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. In which female reproductive organ does the embryo get embedded? I repeat. In which female reproductive organ does the embryo gets embedded or implanted? Tell me the name of that organ.
In uterus.
Exactly. Very good. Very good. I'm so happy, Delisha. You made my day. At least you are first. I think you will come first in science. I don't know about the rest of the subject, but in science, sure. Now, what is metamorphosis? Can you give example? What is metamorphosis, better? Yes. What is metamorphosis?
The transformation of a lava into a adult through that
Yes.
drastic changes is called metamorphosis.
Okay. So larva, what is the other name of larva? Can you tell me? What is the other name of larva? Caterpillar. What it is called as beta?
Yes,
Please
caterpillar.
remember, whatever I'm telling you, try to imbibe, try to learn whatever I'm giving you extra. Don't get stuck. You know already, you have heard about caterpillar, I think so. Have you?
Yeah,
Then,
caterpillar. Yeah.
but you're stuck. I asked you what is the other name. You're stuck. Should not be. Okay, beta. So
Yeah.
larva is also called as caterpillar. It looks so ugly, isn't it? And when they grow, develop, it looks beautiful butterfly, a beautiful moth. So where do you get this? What are the examples? Can you give me the examples of metamorphosis, beta?
Butterfly and frog.
And frog, exactly. Butterfly and frog. Now, I think we have come to a close of our session. It was good. Delisha, thanks a lot. And rest of you, please, I appeal to all of you, please participate. Doesn't matter. I don't want all the right answers, but by doing so, we will come to right conclusion. We will learn by doing wrong. Remember that. So when I'm asking you to do wrong, why aren't you doing it? Okay? Don't be scared, beta. We all are humans, we will do mistakes. But doing mistakes, we will learn. But at least do mistakes. I'm asking you to do mistakes. Okay?
Okay,
Girls,
ma'am.
can you hear me? All of you.
Yes. Yes.
Please take part, beta. We all will enjoy. Fine? Okay, so I hope
Yes.
you have learned a bit about this chapter. Now, next is uh, the long answer question we'll do last of all the chapters. But first we'll take up all the textual questions and the objectives of all the chapters. So